Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
Let me show you these new shirts that my husband just got. They're by Wearics and it came as a 3-pack. So you have a nice variety of colors. These shirts not only look nice, but they are extremely comfortable. So he can wear it if we're just going out. He can also wear them when he's exercising. These make excellent exercising shirts because they are very lightweight and they are flexible and they are so soft. So it wicks moisture away. And because it's so light, it's very quick to dry. This fabric, I'm not kidding, it is one of the most soft fabrics I have ever felt. There's little holes in it, so like I said, it's very lightweight and comfortable for when you're exercising. This is my brother. He usually wears a medium or large, and this is what an extra large looks like on him. My husband wears an extra large normally, and it fits him fine too. It's an athletic cut, so if you are wanting it to be a little bit looser, like it is here on my brother, I would order a size up, but I feel like it fits very true to size. So whether you need a shirt to ride bikes or exercise, lift weights, this one is a really nice shirt because it is so comfortable and flexible and lightweight.
And that's my point of view.